Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Curiosity. In today's video, we are going to look at some simple tips and smart hacks to maximize the cashback and rewards from the SBI BPCL Octane credit card. If you want a complete breakdown of the card's features, benefits, charges, and whether it's worth getting, do check out our detailed video. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get into the tips and hacks. First trick. Avoid using RuPay credit card UPI scan and pay at BPCL petrol pumps. Because in this card, if you use UPI through RuPay credit card, you will not get reward points for that transaction. Not only that, you will also miss the fuel surcharge waiver. So even though scan and pay looks convenient, in this case it reduces your overall benefits. Instead, use your card directly on the swipe machine to get full rewards and benefits. Second trick. Do not pay more than 4,000 rupees in a single fuel transaction. As per the card terms, if a single transaction exceeds 4,000 rupees, the fuel surcharge will not be reversed. So if your fuel bill is 5,000 rupees, ask them to split the payment. First pay 4,000 rupees, then pay the remaining 1,000 rupees separately. You can use the same card multiple times. This way, you will still get the surcharge waiver benefit. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel if you are enjoying the tricks. Third trick. Use this card only at BPCL outlets. If you use this card at IOCL, HPCL or other petrol pumps, you will not get reward points or a fuel surcharge waiver. So to get full benefits, use this card only at BPCL outlets. Fourth trick. Do not redeem your reward points as fuel vouchers. Even though this card is promoted for fuel benefits, redeeming points for fuel vouchers is not the best option. Instead, use your reward points for shopping vouchers or other vouchers. This way, you can get better overall value from your points. This is a simple workaround to maximize your rewards. Personally, I haven't tried this, so please try yourself and post in the comment section, is it really worth to buy as shopping or other vouchers rather than fuel vouchers? Next, let us see another important trick. There is a maximum cap on reward points for fuel spends. You can earn only up to 2,500 reward points per billing cycle. That means you will get reward points only up to around 10,000 rupees of fuel spends. So it is important to plan your fuel usage so that you don't miss out on reward points. For example, if this month you have spent only 4,000 rupees, but next month you may need fuel for 15,000 rupees. You can fill fuel at the end of this billing cycle itself so that you can utilize the remaining limit and earn extra reward points. Next, let us see another simple but useful trick. This is a reward points card, so you will get points for every 100 rupees you spend. Because of this, it is always better to pay in round figures as much as possible. For example, if your transaction value is 3,885 rupees, you can slightly increase it and make it 3,900 rupees. This way, you will not miss those extra reward points. Next, let us see how to use this card for other categories. If you do not have any other credit card for categories like groceries, departmental stores, or movies, you can use this card to get 10x reward points. However, there is one important point. Make sure you use swipe or tap and pay. If you use RuPay UPI scan and pay, you may miss the accelerated reward points. In that case, you will get only the default reward, which is 1 reward point per 100 rupees. Next, let us see how to reduce or eliminate the annual fee. The annual fee is around 1,500 rupees, which may feel high at first. But there is a spend-based reversal benefit. If you spend more than 2 lakh in a year, the renewal fee will be waived. For most urban families, this spend can be achieved easily by using this card across different categories. Also, there is one more benefit. If you spend 3 lakh in a year, you will get gift vouchers worth 2,000 rupees. So if you plan your spends properly, you can not only avoid the annual fee but also get additional value.